Hey, morning team. I am thirsty and I want to fill up my water bottle. Where the heck do I do that in the new building? Let me show you. So this is going to seem a little ridiculous, but let's go fill up this water bottle. We're going to go out here to Casa de Fam. Yep, that's what we named the place. I'm going to go ahead and hit this door open and let's go. So I know I'm going to get absolutely blasted by the lean purists in the group, and they're going to be saying, Brian, that is so much wasted motion. How dare you? That is one of the deadly 8 wastes of lean. Now let's go back and look at the walk that I just took, and let me show you where we have value. When you work in one area all day, you often lose sight of what's going on around you. And so what I'm doing is I'm actually forcing a Gemba walk, and right now I'm looking to my left. I notice there's nothing down the shipping lane. And in front of all my packaging stations, I have no carts. That means they have no immediate work. And then the lane that they get their work from is empty. So this is a bit of a ripple or a bit of a problem, not exactly sure which. As we walk a little further, you'll notice I have a lot of powder coated parts over here that are ready to come down the lane. So we should be able to get that taken care of. Hi, Chris. We got a bunch of carts over here. So that means they're ready to fill up. Now looking over here to my right, I have 1 cart ready for powder coating. Otherwise, everything is ready to be unloaded. Over here to my left, I have some stuff that needs to go onto the carts, so that's good. I've got some other carts that are hiding back there that need to be loaded up, and 2 carts that are loaded here. I'm gonna come over here by the wash booth, and I'm gonna notice that inside this wash booth, I actually have 2 carts that are ready to be washed. So things are looking decent, but here you're gonna notice all these carts, and that means that the laser's behind, and that means that our processes need to speed up. In just like a 35-second walk, I was able to assess how the business looks right now. And I was also able to see that we had some problems, and I can actually put action into place to make that a little smoother for everybody. But what you need to do is make sure that you're using those opportunities to walk through the place, not just to fill your water bottle, but to look at the flow and figure it out and learn and improve it.